All right, guys, it's Mike over at Blackstone Shooting Sports. I'm here with Tariq at T-Gun Vault, and this is a company that's kind of blown up in popularity the last year for good reason. Tariq, what do you got new this year?
So in collab with Ronin Tactics, we've got the Staccato XC limited edition, limited to 50. We didn't say that, but this is the first time we're saying it's only 50 pieces. We went with the black polished DLC, aluminum grips T7. These were designed just for this gun. You cannot get these grips separately. We collabed with Red Dirt, designed this unique trigger just for this gun. We went with like full engraving, Ronin style, dragon scale, and then of course like this is the highlight of our engraving part, like that top. If you can zoom in, check this out. Like this is the first time we do such thing, like carved throughout the slide. Very durable. You can shoot this thing, enjoy it. It's not a safe queen. It's finished in polished black DLC with gold nitride barrel, polished as well. This is one version. We have the second one as an FD. I'm not sure if you checked this. Can we?
They kind of stole it.
Someone took it. You were hiding this one?
Everyone wanted to swap them out.
So you have this guy here. This is the second variant. I personally like it more. So it's the same thing. Full steel, compensated, aluminum grip, everything you ever asked for. Perfect for competition, super reliable. It's not a safe queen again. You can shoot the heck out of it. Very unique design. And I would personally EDC that. It's not too big for me, so I think it's fine, maybe without the light. And it takes any 2011 magazines, just not the stock Staccato because of the magwell that we have. If you remove this, you can put any 2011 mags, but it comes with the two stock magazine, 17 round Staccato magazines, and we send another 18 round premium mags from Atlas, which sits flush perfectly just like that. Anything 20 plus, it's going to be fine, but it's going to be sticking out. It's probably the most beautiful XC we've done.
Yeah, that thing is absolutely gorgeous. I guess you guys have seen the new CS, the 4-inch little mini XC Staccato came out with this year. I hope to see something like this.
Actually, we just saw it right now. We're in shock, and we can't wait to, maybe a mini Ronin on that too.
That'd be cool.
Yeah, for a carry. Absolutely.
Cool. Well, for all your T-Gun Vault needs, look us up on the web.
Thank you, guys.